Are you going right now?
Yeah.
Kate Cook and her family live in Carlisle. She's aware that several students at the high school have been diagnosed with whooping cough.
I have heard that it's spreading. I've seen things on Facebook and on the news that it's going around.
The district sent a letter to families sharing it's working with the State Department of Health to manage the outbreak, adding it's increased cleaning and alerted students who may have had a close contact.
I don't think it's anything to panic over, but definitely something to be careful about.
Whooping cough is extremely contagious and can be dangerous for some patients.
You want to make sure that we are covering our coughs and sneezes, washing our hands, and trying to stay home when we're sick to keep other people safe.
According to the Pennsylvania State Department of Health, if you feel sick, you should call your doctor. Whooping cough can oftentimes start off with cold-like symptoms, but parents should be concerned if their child has a coughing fit and then struggles to breathe.
My kids are all vaccinated, so I feel that's a little bit of a barrier towards it. Or if they get it, what I understand is if they get it, then it's they would get a milder case, hopefully.
Kate says she's not overly concerned.
For now, I'll just kind of watch and wait and see.
In Carlisle, Ann Shannon, WGAL News 8.